Hey guys, it's Mishti and today I'm gonna attempt to ride this 26-inch cycle. This is my father's cycle. It's my first time. I'm nervous but very excited. And I've been practicing before, so I hope this helps you to ride a big cycle. So first you put the stand up and then you come here, not here. So like this, and then you arrange the pedals and then you push forward and sit. So for some of you it may take more than 4 to 5 tries, but with a little practice you can ride like this. So but remember, when you press the brake you should come here, not here, or you're gonna have a big injury and we don't want injuries here. So yeah, I hope this helps you. Bye.